Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you my progress on my plane. There's been quite a bit of overtime going on at work lately, so I haven't had a whole lot of time to play. And I was going to go out and fly the other day with my styrofoam plane, but the weather was crappy, so I didn't end up doing that. But I got some time, so I put myself back in the garage, and I think I'm pretty much done with this plane. I think it's ready to try. But before I, take it out there and start doing some glide testing, I do have a couple of questions. And I want to see if maybe you guys can help me out. The plane from the rear tip of the elevator to the nose right here, it measures out at 34 1/8 inches, and I'm starting to think that I should have made the plane longer by adding another length of section, real similar to what Ed did from Experimental Airlines when he made his Photon, which was a gorgeous plane, by the way. Ed, if you're watching, I love that plane. When I get done with this, I'd really like to make one of those. So anyway, my CG is turning up. Not like I had anticipated. I mean, prior to any CG messing with this, it was my fault, my anxiousness. I went ahead and cut where the wing should be before I did a whole lot of testing. That right there will be a lesson learned, and my future planes will be a lot better, I hope. The way I understand it is the plane center of gravity should be like a half to 1/3 back from the leading edge of the wing. That would put it right in this area here. Okay. Well, actually, on this plane, I've got the wing mounted. I've got all the electronics where they're supposed to be. I've got the battery in here, even with the battery shoved up here as far as it'll go, up to. Can I put a stopper in here, here towards the front to, just in case it during a flight, say the plane noses down, like my very first plane did. I put a stopper in here to keep the battery from jumping towards the motor. So I've got the battery all the way up towards that stopper, and my CG turns up. Let's see. My center of gravity actually turns up to be about 7 inches back from the leading edge, and my wing chord. If you don't include the aileron flaps, it's 6.5 inches, and I believe I did 1.5 inch control surfaces, so that would be 8 inches from the leading edge to the back of the aileron. So, like I said, my center of gravity is turning up to be about 7.5 inches, or 7.25. It's about 7.25 inches back from the leading edge. Do you think that's going to be a problem with this? Will it make the plane, it's tail heavy right now, but I can't move that motor forward anymore. Do you think it's going to be okay? Or do I need to see if I can get in here and move something? I mean, it's not going to be easy to do, but I'd be willing to do it. See if I can move something around to get the battery more towards the nose. Or I guess option 3, should I just take all the guts out of this, hang this on the wall, and just start over, which I'm not opposed to. I really have a good time making these. Keeps me out of trouble. The wife thinks it's fun. So do I need to just scrap this whole thing and make another one where I've got a bit longer of a fuselage, and then get all the wiring in there where it should be, prior to making any wing mounts? Should I do that? I mean, the way it is now, Would it be okay, or should I do something else, or should I take up golf? I don't want to take up golf. I'll stick with this. I'm having a lot of fun. So if you guys can help me out, tell me what you think. I would certainly appreciate it. So thanks for watching.